Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this semi-mechanical gaming keyboard from Silvercrest with backlight for computer, with integrated multimedia keys to control videos and music, mechanical switches, anti-ghosting, trigger pressure 50 gram with a 3 years warranty. Let's open the box and find out more about this product connected to my PC and see how it works. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. We have a large removable wrist pad for ultimate comfort. Wow, I like the sound. It is a mechanical keyboard, semi. You can remove that because it is magnetic. Wow! I like it. Wheel for volume control, silver color, I like that. 3 LED indicators we have here for the number lock, for the scroll lock and the caps lock. Mute and mute, control your music and video, play, resume, stop, forward and backward. Integrated key for gaming, for lighting and for sending emails. You need to choose the software. And of course we have the cable. I like the length. It is about 2 meters. I like the thickness. USB 2. And at the back we have this silicone pad. It will stay very secure at any surface. Fits. Wow, I like it. It's so cool. We have the Gorilla logo here. It is a gaming keyboard. Now let's plug it in on my PC and see how it works. I like the light effects when the keyboard is plugged in. Off the light, on, only on a blue color. Num lock, we can see the LED indicator, scroll lock, caps lock, on, on, on. Window key, and play a video. Decreasing the volume. Increasing, mute the volume, I'll mute, backward, forward, and stop. Play again, pause, stop. And the same you can do with the music, decreasing the volume, increasing. Next song, mute, unmute, stop, play again. Very easy to control, and the music, and stop. And the same you can do with your emails. Games, at this time I don't have any games installed at my PC. It has a robust housing, it is very difficult to bend, I like that, very durable. And of course you can type. I like it. It is so easy to type and I like the clicks. The sound is very pleasant. If you need that kind of keyboard with backlight and many functions, the cost is only 45 euros. At the market there are so many keyboards, in the end it is your choice what you want to buy and what is more suitable for you. Thank you for watching, my viewers. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because this week is a gaming week and more videos are coming. You don't want to miss that. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.